bitbito na mo pagawas, but I hope na wala na gyud kay luoy kayo ang mga lugar nga daghang mga damage na matay.
Mhm. So, Ma'am Violeta, ani na lang ma'am, no? Kini bang taga-asa man ka diri sa Pilipinas, ma'am?
Akong ginikanan taga ano kami sa San Joaquin, Iloilo, pero nag-move nami sa Mindanao, sa North Cotabato, sa Magpet.
Mhm. So, Bisaya gyud ka.
Ilongga jud ma'am, pero
Ilongga.
nabisaya na kay ang mga silingan mga Bisaya na.
Mhm. And Ma'am Violeta, Sir Giovanni, I cannot help but notice the Philippine flag behind you. And
Yeah.
both of you are wearing a Filipiniana and Barong Tagalog, ma'am. So, what's
Yeah.
with the outfit, Ma'am Violeta?
Mostly people message on us for the interview, ma'am. So that's why we are ready for the any interview, because last year we've been interviewed by radio station as well about the earthquake in Cebu and Bohol, those tsunami.
The social work that we do outside. It means also we like to promote Philippines here in Colombia, so that's why we also ready about it. We have the traditional clothes and also the flag, and also in our business, in our restaurant, we promote mostly the
Filipino.
culture, the gastronomy, the family like a Filipino. Yeah, we promote everything about Philippines here in Bogota. We try our best, and I know for sure that we will spread it all over the nation also.
That's why we have authentic food here in Bogota, so that everybody knows na our food lami kaayo, lami kaya itong mga adobo. So mo na nga daghan kayo ang namalit sa tuwang mga Filipino food diri nga mostly mga Colombiano. So sa restaurant na po ko'y mga decoration nga mga flags o mga Filipiniana barong Tagalog, para makitaan nila unsa atong culture.
So, Ma'am Violeta, thank you for bringing the Philippine culture in Colombia. And Sir Giovanni, thank you for embracing the Filipino culture, sir. And it's good to see you wearing that Barong Tagalog.
Yes, it's always a pleasure. Me, as a Colombian, I feel Colombian and half Filipino also. Yeah. I love Philippines, honestly. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ma'am Violeta and Sir Giovanni, thank you so much for joining us today in our program. And hopefully you will take good care, especially right after the earthquake. And there will be aftershocks, and that's for sure, ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much as well, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for having us. God bless.
God bless. Mabuhay Pilipinas.
Mabuhay.
Mga kabombo, ang ito ang Bombo International Correspondent, Ma'am